Look at these apple chips. They gotten dry and crispy. Perfect. Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making apple chips in the air fryer. To make these easy apple chips, all we need is apple, cinnamon, and cooking spray. So first, let's slice the apple as thin as possible. You don't need to peel the apple, so just slice it into very thin slices. Now if you see a seed, just take it out. Now once you slice the apple, we're going to spray the bottom of the air fryer basket with a cooking spray so the apple doesn't stick. And now let's put the apple slices in the air fryer basket. And now let's sprinkle them with cinnamon. And let's put the apples in the air fryer and set the temperature to 350 degrees. And let's set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and carefully flip the apple slices over to the other side. And put them back on the air fryer so they finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the apple chips. Look at these apple chips. They gotten dry and crispy. Perfect. So air fryer makes drying the apple slices so easy. And now let's let them cool down for 5 minutes so they'll get even crispier once they cool. Now when the air fryer apple chips have cooled down, they get even crispier. So let's try one. Looks so good. So crunchy. Delicious. A healthy chip. What a find. You're going to love these apple chips. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.